Hey, Nick Locapo here with Penguin Magic, and today we're going to crack a pack of the brand new Retro Rockets playing cards. Blast off to outer space with the Bicycle Retro Rocket playing cards. Designed by Douglas Fuchs and printed by the United States Playing Card Company. The tuck box is bicycle branded and wrapped in custom artwork. It has a standard top opening that is sealed with a custom planetary seal. The Retro Rockets are printed on our signature Elite Thin Crush stock with an air cushion magic finish. These traditionally cut cards are a dream to handle whether you're playing on Earth or in outer space. The back design features two mirrored rockets blasting off from a Martian metropolis. The borders are standard width and detailed with control panels, stars, and comets. The Retro Rockets include two Jokers featuring two different rocket ships. Also included in the deck are two gaff cards, a red-red double backer and a red-blue double backer for magic tricks. Each ace has a large expanded suit in the center with custom space designs inside of it. Every piece of art in this deck is customized. The cards' indexes feature a futuristic style and they are much smaller than the standard index. Also, the suit pips appear to be a little larger and a little fatter than the standard. The court cards have been redesigned into astronauts, all of which are different from suit to suit. Even with all this customization though, the Retro Rockets are still highly playable no matter what planet you're on. The cards are printed using vegetable-based inks and starch-based laminates on FSC certified paper sourced from sustainable forests. This means the cards not only shuffle, fan, and spread perfectly for all your favorite games and tricks, they're also made with the planet in mind. The Retro Rocket playing cards are a limited print run of only 2,500 decks of cards, and they're available singly or in custom 6-pack boxes at penguinmagic.com. Free shipping worldwide. So, if you want to crack your own pack of the Retro Rocket playing cards, head on over to penguinmagic.com and check them out.